नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कसे आहात सगळे? स्वतःची काळजी घेताय ना? बालमित्रांनो, कोविड-19च्या या सद्यस्थितीत आपली शाळा बंद असली तरी आपला अभ्यास चालू राहिला पाहिजे आणि याच उद्देशाने बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका शिक्षण विभाग व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटरच्या माध्यमातून आपण भेटणार आहोत. मी निलिमा कदम, तुमची व्हर्च्युअल शिक्षिका. बालमित्रांनो, आज आपण सामान्य विज्ञान या विषयाचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. आजचा घटक कोणता आहे? चला तर पाहूया. Today's topic is the living world, adaptations and classifications. सजीव सृष्टी, अनुकूलन व वर्गीकरण. There is wide variety of living organisms on the earth, from unicellular organisms like amoeba, euglena, paramecium to multicellular organisms like tiger, elephant, horse, man, etc. एकपेशीय व बहुपेशीय प्राणी, vertebrates and invertebrates, पृष्ठवंशीय व अपृष्ठवंशीय प्राणी, aquatic as well as amphibians, जलचर व उभयचर प्राणी. Like animals, lotus we found in the water, whereas camel in desert, polar bear in snowy area, whereas giraffe in grassy region. Lotus cannot grow in the soil. Similarly, polar bear cannot survive in desert and camel cannot survive in snowy region. So what are the special characteristics of lotus, polar bear, camel and giraffe? कमळ, ध्रुवीय, अस्वल, उंट, जिराफ या सजीवांची वैशिष्ट्ये कोणती आहेत की हे सजीव त्या ठिकाणीच राहू शकतात? What do you mean by adaptation? अनुकूलन म्हणजे काय? Children, we can see camel and cactus in desert, whereas we can see yak, reindeer, polar bear in tundra region. So these animals we can found in certain areas. The special characteristics that enable plants and animals to be successful in a particular environment are called adaptations. प्रत्येक सजीव ज्या परिसरात राहतो त्या परिसराशी जुळवून घेण्यासाठी त्याच्या शरीराच्या अवयवांमध्ये तसेच जीवन जगण्याच्या पद्धतींमध्ये कालानुरूप जे बदल घडून येतात त्या बदलांना अनुकूलन असे म्हणतात. Today we are learning adaptation in plants. Adaptation in aquatic plants, जलीय वनस्पतींमधील अनुकूलन. The plants which we find in water, these plants are firmly rooted in the soil at the bottom of the water bodies. Some plants are entirely afloat. या वनस्पतींची मुळं तळाशी घट्ट रुतलेली असतात किंवा काही वनस्पती मुळासहित तरंगतात. Lotus we find in the water, so the surfaces of these leaves and stems of many of these aquatic plants are covered with a waxy layer. या वनस्पतींच्या पानावर मेणासारख्या पदार्थांचा थर असतो आणि यामुळे ही पानं पाण्यात राहून सडत नाही. Some stems and petioles of some aquatic plants have air spaces in them which helps them to float on the water. खोड आणि पानाचे देठ यामध्ये हवेच्या पोकळ्या असतात. Leaves of some of these aquatic plants are thin and slender like a ribbon, so that the water cannot be absorbed in that leaves. पाने अरुंद व पातळ असतात. Adaptation in desert plants. Cactus is the common plant we found in desert areas. Now, what are the adaptation in these plants? Now desert plants are either leafless or their leaves are like small needles or have been modified into thorns. पाने नसतात किंवा पानांचे रूपांतर काट्यात झालेले असते. Their stems are fleshy and green. Their roots penetrate deep into the soil so that they can get water. Adaptation in snowy region plants. हिम प्रदेशातील वनस्पतींमधील अनुकूलन. There is snow all over the year. So these plants are conical in shape. शंकूसारखा त्यांचा आकार असतो. They have sloping branches so that ice can be removed easily. They have thick bark. Adaptation in forest plants. जंगल प्रदेशातील वनस्पतींमधील अनुकूलन. High rainfall is there. पाऊस जास्त प्रमाणात पडतो. Temperature is about 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Plants are spring-like tendrils on the stems. Trees grow tall to get maximum of sunlight. Orchids, tall trees, shrubs and herbs. These types of plants found in these areas. Adaptation in grassland plants. गवताळ प्रदेशातील वनस्पतींमधील अनुकूलन. Short grasses, bushes found over here. Similarly, tall grasses also found. The trees or plants are having narrow leaves and the roots of the plants have fibrous roots and they prevent soil erosion. Pollination by wind. Adaptation for ingestion of food in plants. Cuscuta have sucking roots and these cuscuta grow on other plants and absorb their food which is prepared by that plant. Bhuchhatra, mushrooms. Mushrooms also grow on other plants and they take their food from that plants. Fungi, mucor, these grows on bread. All these plants lack chlorophyll and hence they cannot perform photosynthesis, and that's why these plants depend on other plants for their food. Insectivorous plants. कीटकभक्षी वनस्पती. Nepenthes, घटपर्णी. Venus flytrap or Drosera. These are the insectivorous plants. These plants lack nitrogen where they grow and that's why they fulfill their need for nitrogen by trapping or consuming insects. नायट्रोजनची कमतरता पूर्ण करण्यासाठी कीटकभक्षी वनस्पती कीटकांचे भक्षण करतात. Please go through this video and try to solve this puzzle. There are some clues are given for across words and down words. You try to find out the proper word for these clues. After completing these puzzle, let's go for answers. Some across words. Food storing stem. Onion. Spring-like structure for support in climbers. Sixth one, tendrils, flowers which float on water. Seventh across, lotus, root which function as storing food. Radish. Now down, insectivorous plant. Drosera, saprophytes growing on bread. Fungi, parasitic plants. Cuscuta, leafless desert plant with spines. 5 number is cactus and 9th one down coniferous plant in snowy region, देवदार. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजचा पाठ समजला ना? या पाठाचं पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही वाचन करा आणि असेच सुंदर सुंदर व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा. पुन्हा अशाच सुंदर सुंदर माहितीसह आपण भेटणार आहोत पुढच्या भागात. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. थँक यू. बाय बाय.